So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain the IP address automatically selected. But down here on the bottom, you're going to select use the full DNS server address. Now for the first line, you're going to make it 8888. And now for the second line, you're going to make it 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you're going to type in netsh space int space IP space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last one, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.